Hi, Mark from Saunders Building. We're here at 1 Ridgeway Place to check out the final product. On the outside of the building we have T-rib iron with schist feature walls, coiler decking, and the whole landscape is filled in with macrocarpus sleeper steps. On the interior of the house you'll walk through the entry and see our feature cedar screen, followed by the schist fireplace and walking out onto the beautiful coiler deck. We had a September deadline and we certainly had our challenges with COVID and lockdown, but with a massive push from our team and our subbies, we managed to get the owners in on time. Our clients are really happy to move in and make this place their home. We really enjoyed working on this hillside after completing number 3 and number 1 Ridgeway, and now we're off to number 13. Number 13 is a 4-bedroom, 260 square metre home looking over the amazing Cave Rock. Construction starts in February and we can't wait to get into this one.